The future of Lamborghini is here, and it's faster, bolder, and more exhilarating than ever. Meet the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, a revolutionary hybrid supercar that redefines performance and luxury. In this video, we'll dive into the design, power, technology, and the exhilarating driving experience that makes the Revuelto an automotive masterpiece. Stay tuned, because this is one car you won't want to miss. Aggressive exterior design, the essence of Lamborghini. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto commands attention from every angle. Its exterior is a perfect blend of Lamborghini's iconic design language and cutting-edge aerodynamics, making it more aggressive and streamlined than ever before. Starting at the front, the Y-shaped headlights are a signature feature, offering a futuristic look that is instantly recognizable. These headlights, combined with the bold, angular front bumper and massive air intakes, enhance both aerodynamics and cooling performance for the V12 engine lurking underneath. The side profile showcases Lamborghini's trademark low-slung silhouette, with sculpted bodywork and aerodynamic side skirts. The large side vents channel airflow towards the rear, helping to reduce drag and maintain optimal performance. And the wider stance of the Revuelto is all about stability and balance, giving you more grip in every turn. At the rear, the quad exhaust outlets are unmistakable. Beneath them, an active rear spoiler deploys automatically, adjusting based on speed for enhanced downforce and aerodynamics. And the rear diffuser channels air beneath the car to reduce turbulence and increase high-speed stability. A new hybrid era, powertrain and performance. Under the hood of the Revuelto lies the heart of a true Lamborghini, the legendary V12 engine. But this isn't just any V12. The Revuelto introduces Lamborghini's first-ever hybrid V12, combining 3 electric motors with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine to deliver a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain provides instant torque delivery, meaning the Revuelto can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. One of the fastest times for a production car. It delivers a spine-tingling experience where the scream of the V12 is perfectly complemented by the quiet, immediate power of the electric motors at lower speeds. The powertrain is paired with Lamborghini's innovative 4-wheel drive system and electronic torque vectoring, allowing the car to maximize grip and traction, even in the most demanding conditions. The electronic differential ensures that the power is precisely distributed to each wheel, giving you the confidence to push the car to its limits. But it's not just about raw speed. The Revuelto features multiple driving modes, including Strada for daily driving, Sport for exhilarating thrills, and Corsa for track-ready performance. The Ego mode is particularly interesting, allowing you to fully customize every aspect of the car's suspension, engine, and steering responses for a truly personalized experience. Hybrid performance meets efficiency, the future of power. While the Revuelto's hybrid powertrain is designed for extreme performance, it also brings some surprising efficiency to the table. When you're cruising around the city or on low-speed drives, the car can run in electric-only mode, allowing you to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, perfect for urban environments. Thanks to the 3 electric motors, the Revuelto can be driven purely on electric power for short distances, offering a quieter, more efficient driving experience. The electric motors also provide instant power delivery, contributing to the car's lightning-fast acceleration and dynamic handling. And while the Revuelto isn't primarily about fuel economy, Lamborghini's hybrid system still brings impressive numbers, offering better efficiency than a purely gasoline-powered supercar, all while maintaining the jaw-dropping performance you expect from the brand. Interior luxury and cutting-edge technology. Inside, the Revuelto offers an unparalleled blend of luxury and advanced technology. The cockpit is designed to put the driver at the center of the action with a floating dashboard and two massive digital screens. The digital instrument cluster shows everything from speed to real-time driving data, while the central display controls everything from navigation to multimedia. Lamborghini has made sure every control is easily accessible. The center console features touch-sensitive buttons with intuitive controls for the drive modes, media, and performance settings. The system is designed to be simple to use, but gives you full access to all the information and settings you could ever need. The seats are wrapped in a combination of premium leather and Alcantara, offering the perfect balance of comfort and support. With customizable seating and options like heating and ventilation, every journey, whether on the track or the road, feels like a first-class experience. And let's not forget the carbon fiber accents that further elevate the cabin's sense of performance and luxury. Handling and driving dynamics. Precision meets power. When you're behind the wheel of the Revuelto, it's clear that Lamborghini didn't just focus on straight-line speed. The Revuelto is engineered to offer unbelievable handling precision. Thanks to its advanced adaptive suspension system, the car maintains impeccable stability and grip, even through the tightest corners. The LDVI, Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata system, integrates the car's suspension, steering, braking, and engine systems in real time, ensuring the car responds instantly to your inputs. Whether you're cornering hard or braking late, the Revuelto feels like an extension of your body, giving you the confidence to push the limits. The carbon ceramic brakes are ultra-responsive, allowing for rapid deceleration without any loss in performance. Coupled with Michelin Pilot Sport tires, the car's handling is incredibly responsive, allowing you to feel every curve and every shift in the road. And let's not forget the Revuelto's sound. One of the defining traits of any Lamborghini is the exhilarating exhaust note, and the hybrid V12 engine delivers a symphony like no other. At low speeds, the electric motors provide a hushed, futuristic hum, but the moment you hit the throttle, that iconic Lamborghini roar erupts, filling the air with a spine-tingling growl that only a V12 can produce. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing it to the limit on the track, the sound is a constant reminder that you're behind the wheel of something truly extraordinary. Price and availability, a supercar for the future. So, what does all of this performance and luxury cost? The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto starts at around $600,000, making it one of the most exclusive supercars on the market. However, for that price, you get unrivaled performance, advanced hybrid technology, and the unmistakable Lamborghini experience. The ultimate Lamborghini experience. Beyond its breathtaking performance and striking design, the Revuelto represents the evolution of Lamborghini's engineering philosophy. With the integration of cutting-edge hybrid technology, Lamborghini has not only stayed true to its roots of extreme performance, but has also embraced sustainability without compromising on the thrill of driving. The combination of the V12 engine with the electric motors ensures that this supercar is both a powerhouse on the track and a more environmentally conscious option for the future. It's a bold statement of what's possible when luxury, performance, and innovation come together in perfect harmony. The 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is more than just a hybrid supercar. It's a bold leap into the future of automotive performance. With a hybrid V12 powertrain, cutting-edge technology, and a design that is both aggressive and stunning, the Revuelto is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. What do you think of the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto? Is it the future of hypercars, or just another step toward automotive perfection? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exclusive content on the latest supercars. Until next time, keep driving with passion